hapon, ngayong araw, December 21, 2024. Ngayong araw po ay ating itutuloy ang ating series which is about God's generous provision. Specifically, ang magiging topic po natin for today is about God blesses us abundantly for good works. Now, ang ating talita po ay magagamit sa 2 Corinthians chapter 9 verse 8. Sabi po dito, basahin ko po. And God is able to bless you abundantly, so that in all things at all times, having all that you need, you will abound in every good work. Now, upang mas bigyan natin ng kabuluhan, ngayon po tayo po dadako sa ating teachings or tuturuan for today. Una po, the purpose of blessings is good works. So, God blesses us so that we can be blessing to others. Kumbaga, binabless po tayo ng ating Panginoon upang bless din natin yung his gifts, whether they are through financial or through talents or even your time. Lahat po yan is a blessing from God, and it is not just for our enjoyment, but binigay po sa atin ito to be used for doing good things to other people or in the world. Ikalawa, blessings increase good works. So, when we use God's blessings to serve others and glorify Him, He entrusts us with even more. So, the more we give, the more God pour into our lives to expand His kingdom through us. Ikatlo, the results of generosity in God's glory. So, ang generosity po, it is not just about giving, but it is also about reflecting God's heart. So, when we give generously, nakikita po ng mga tao yung pagmamahal ng Diyos and yung provision niya through us. Dahil po doon na bibigyan po natin ng glory yung pangalan ng ating Panginoon. So, paano po natin ma-apply yung mga katuruan nito? Ngayon po tayo po dadako sa ating application. Ano po? Treat your resources as tools for good work. So, naman yung sa resources, hindi lang siya about money. So, yes, including yung money, but hindi lang about money all the time. So, it can be also your talent, your time, your skills. Yung mga yan, yung mga resources na yan, hindi lang yan binigay for your personal gain, but they are tools na ibinigay o in-entrust sa iyo ng ating Panginoon. So, we use them wisely para iserve ng ibang tao and bigyan natin ng glory ang pangalan ng ating Panginoon. Ikalawa, increase your good works to increase blessings. So, the more we commit to doing good things, good works with what we have, the more God entrusts us with. So, huwag kang mag-hold back, step out in faith and use your blessings for good, trusting God to provide even more. And lastly po is give generously for the glory of God. So, when you give, you let your motivation be to para mag-glorify ng ating Panginoon. So, whether it's giving to church or helping your loved ones or even supporting something, hayaan mo yung generosity mo mag-reflect para mag-reflect yung pagmamahal ng ating Panginoon and para ma-bring mo yung iba sa ating Panginoon. Kumaga, you bring others closer to God. So, naway marami po tayong natutunan